Good morning, children. Yesterday, I told you to read this story, that is Nasruddin's Aim, and hope all of you have read it. Dear, do you know who is Nasruddin? Tenali Rama, Birbal, all these are very famous for their wittiness, means for their wisdom. In no time, means in very short time, they used to solve problems in funny way. People's problem in funny way. Children, Nasruddin was from Afghanistan, and about Birbal and Tenali Rama, you know that they were from India. You have seen serials related to these characters on TV also. Now today we will focus on Nasruddin's story, that is Nasruddin's Aim. Nasruddin's Aim. One day, Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast. No one can match my skill in archery. I string the bow, take aim, and shoot the arrow. Hush! The arrow is sure to hit right on target. Now, in his chatting, what Nasruddin was telling to his friends he told, means in a very boastful manner he told. Beta, what is mean by boast? Boast means अपनी तारीफ खुद करना, means he was started to praising himself. Okay, and in that praising, what he was telling, that no one is there to match my skill in archery. Archery you know better, and after observing this picture, this is the bow, okay, and along with the arrow, this is the archery. Okay, hearing this, one of his friend immediately brought a bow and some arrows. After hearing this, what Nasruddin told, as I string the bow, take aim and shoot the arrow. So definitely I used to shoot the arrow at the target only, he told to his friend. And after hearing this, what his friend did, one of his friend immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." Then, pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Now, what he told? "Okay, Nasruddin, now show your skill to we friends. Just hold it, take the bow and the arrows and just aim at that target and shoot an arrow. Show your skill." Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, stung it, aimed at the target and shoot an arrow. Ooh. The arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Oh no, but what happened? Instead of shooting at the target, what happened? The arrow fell in the middle only. And what happened then? All his friends started laughing at him. Ha ha ha. Whatever Nasruddin was praising himself, for what he was praising, that I am a best aimer. No one can match me, no one can defeat me. मुझे कोई हरा नहीं सकता है. But when his friends told him to show his skill, and what happened while showing the skill, he didn't hit the target. And instead of hitting the target, in the middle only, that arrow fell down. But very smartly, Nasruddin gave the answer. Very smart answer he gave to his friend. Now, hearing this answer, you will come to know how smart, how witty Nasruddin was. See, they said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" Now, what Nasruddin said here? "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. He was defending himself. वो अपने आप को बचा रहा था. And while defending, what he said? This wasn't my aim. It was Azad's aim. Azad, one of his friend. So, what he told? He blamed at Azad. He told about Azad that I wanted to tell you that this is not mine. If you would tell to Azad, then definitely he would aim at the target and definitely he would shoot at the target in this way only. मीन्स वो ये बताना चाहता था कि अगर तुम आजाद को बोलते थे तो आजाद इस तरह से करता था. मैं ऐसा एमर नहीं हूं. मैं तो बहुत ही बेस्ट टारगेट करता हूं, बहुत ही बेस्ट एम रखता हूं. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target, and shot the arrow. This time, the arrow fell a little further from where it had fallen before. Next time also, the same happened. Instead of targeting the aim, what happened? Again, the bow fell down in the middle only, but now it fell a little further from where it had fallen before. पहले जहां गिरा था उससे थोड़ा सा आगे जाकर इस बार का भी उसका एरो गिरा है. ओके, later part of this story tomorrow we will see. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.